fucking box.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to this fantastic episode of What's in the Fucking Box. As you can see, I'm trying to, open this big beauty here from BBTS, and have to get into it. Oh, what goodies I have. Oh boy. Look, it's a card, a card with a coin in it. Yes, that would be for Blue Streak. Fantastic. Woohoo! We have Raiden. Waiting for this for a while. It's a good figure. Loving this. Russ's favorite right here. Here you go. More BBTS junk. Ah, now we get to the beautiful part. Masterpiece 26 MP26 Road Rage. I know Dust says the track sucks, but I'm hoping for better. That's one. Another masterpiece. Woo! It's been a busy month, huh? Tracks. Yay. Yeah, I know. Combiner Wars. I know. Sue me. Whatever. Prow. Nice. Here we go. Now this is for the wife. Big beautiful Jabba the Hutt. And you discount it. What can I say? I'm going to buy it. There you go. Woo! And finally, the thing I've been looking forward to the most in this box. Blue Streak. I know. Diaclones are fantastic. Yep. And there you go, guys. My giant haul. My mini Baldwin drop. That's what's in the fucking box.